We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button, tell me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with SENS Stock, Sensonics Holdings Inc. Now the stock took off yesterday in the aftermarket hours. We broke it down. We're going to look at some keywords and key things that were stated and how that affected today's reaction, and also the overall markets did pull down no matter what was going on due to the Fed meeting and everything going on. But you want to be aware of what's going on right now because I talked about the possibilities of this reaction in the charts in yesterday's video. If you watched my video yesterday, you would have known what I stated, and I'm going to break it down as well today. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us, every single morning we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump right into it here with SENS Stock, Sensonics Holdings Inc. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and even though the stock market was pulling downwards, we managed to find a home run. We strive for opportunities like these every single morning, and if you want to get on early with us, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the three stocks I mentioned. Every single one of them gave 5 to 10%, 10 to 20%, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was DTST. We caught this one in the pre-market when it was consolidating under a bear indicator going into weakness, sat sideways with some strength here on 42 vision, and ultimate 42 vision right after the bell sent a bull indicator. We could see that strength, and it hit a highest point of 40% plus, guys. If you want to get on early with us, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and let me share with you guys an upgrade that's coming soon as well. And this actually let us know way before the pullback that was happening. And let me show you guys when it sent out the alert. It's the SPY bot. It sent the SPY 5-minute bear indicator at 11:45 a.m. And from that point forward, you could see it here as well. So those that have 42 vision will be able to see it in the charts as well to confirm, see what's going on. And from that moment forward, it just saw the weakness that was coming. And the SPY did pull back significantly, several points, as you could see it here, nearly 2%. So once again, if you want to get on early with us and know about opportunities before they happen, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with SENS Stock, Sensonics Holdings Inc. And we're going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision here and see where the weakness started today in the pre-market towards the bell. And by the way, you can now gain access as well to the 42 vision indicators. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator premium package. You will gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together and receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. So if you look at it here, the bear indicator popped up in the pre-market at the 320s range, and it continued going downwards. Now, the overall market was a little weak today, so it wasn't just Sensonics Holdings Inc. And the timing of this momentum was not at the best day, right? Today, there was rate hikes being talked about, the Federal Reserve, and so forth. But even without it, I had stated in yesterday's video that this needed a breakthrough 344 to reach newer highs and stay above $3. If it broke $3, it was going to go into further weakness, and we're back in the 280s, almost as if nothing ever happened. Okay, in yesterday's video I did point out some things, and we're going to look at it together, but let's look at the 4-hour. And in the 4-hour, you could see it's still under a bull indicator, no bear indicator has popped up, and it's still dark green with red borders showing some strength. If this could reverse and get out from dark green with red borders to dark green with blue borders and continue into green and hold this bull indicator strong and not get negated by a bear indicator, and this doesn't go towards red, then maybe this could just be a setup for the next bull run. But other than that, this is in a position of weakness, and I'm going to be watching in the 4-hour if that bear indicator pops up. Now, let's talk about the key word I stated yesterday was going to impact this stock and probably negate all this momentum and pull it downwards eventually or pretty soon. And I stated, don't let it trick your eyes, because this is a key word that doesn't really give us the hope, or at least we could say the concrete information that everyone's waiting for, because it's still pretty broad, right? The momentum should lead into it, but it's still pretty broad. Let's look at it together. So it says Sensonics expects FDA for the next gen Eversense, which is the 180-day glucose monitoring system, in the coming weeks. Coming weeks. That's the key word. Then they also stated that the company sees sales of 12 million to 15 million in Q2 of 2022. I stated before their target was 15 million. Now they brought it down a little bit, giving themselves a little bit of leeway and hopefully reaching that range or doing better than expected. That can give some momentum for Q2 2022. And then also you have here, right, that the FDA is continuing to clear out the backlog. They've been holding a little bit back on this, but it's expected in the next coming weeks. So we saw a lot of momentum after that news broke out yesterday, right? It was fresh, it was hyped, it was speculation. Now things cooled off and everyone realized it's in the next coming weeks. It's not tomorrow, it's not right now, in the coming weeks. And guess what? It's still in the limbo, in the air. When is it going to really happen? So we're still looking at weeks from now. Then we're also looking at, we don't know if it's going to be a yes affirmatively and stuff like that. So this has been under the FDA approval since July. And we've been waiting for this moment of it actually happening and transitioning from being on standby to happening all the way until now. And now all we know is in the next coming weeks. That's still too broad. That's not exact. That is not enough confirmation. So a lot of investors jumped in, pulled right back out, and everyone's watching right now to see if this is going to retest these recent lows or just a pullback and a setup for the next bull run. Because I'm going to be watching if a bull indicator reappears here on the 30-minute, if the 4-hour holds true. And also, this is a point where through this volatility, if things are positive and insiders know something, we're going to see a lot more insider activity. We're going to see a lot more movement to the upside towards the next incoming weeks. Because even though this is pretty broad, we should see this stock moving and staircasing to the upside if everyone is waiting for that news and expecting it to be positive, right? And just continue pushing up higher to newer highs, new resistance levels, break through the 340s and get towards up here the 380s, go towards 420s, and continue the momentum to the upside. And there's a lot of short interest as well in this stock. So if shorts get trapped, this isn't just going to be a catalyst play. This could turn into a short squeeze play. So there's a lot of things going on right now, but the main thing that drove this back down, apart from the overall market, is those keywords. In the coming weeks. We know the news now, but it's not today or tomorrow. It's in the next coming days and weeks can turn into a month. But hopefully it happens now in January, latest February, but anything beyond February could hurt any possible momentum. And the other thing as well is the Q2 2022 financial of reaching 12 million to 15 million. So that's giving them some leeway as well. Not as much pressure that they need a break towards 15 million. If not, they can fall in between it or they can fall above it and create a surprise and some type of positivity of growth for the company. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money. If you made it to this point in the video, I want to say thank you for supporting the channel, and I really do appreciate the fact that you guys find value in everything that I share and update every single day. If it's your first time coming across the channel, thank you as well. And if you're a frequent viewer, I want you guys to be aware, new or frequent, that you have more to obtain than just these YouTube videos. I offer more than just these YouTube videos, and as you can see on the screen, these are the home runs of the day today, And if you look closely at the charts, you could see the strength and weaknesses within the chart with 42 vision going from red to green and from green to red when there's weakness and strength, and also the placements of these bull and bear indicators, which is the new upgrade that just got released. Every single investor is loving it and maximizing on opportunities with the clarity that it brings through the volatility. And you can receive this now as well. The 42 vision indicator link is down below in the description, and by joining the 42 vision tier level, you will gain access to the daily watch list, home runs that I strive for every single day, the weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium indicators to receive the clarity and confidence you deserve to maximize on opportunities through the volatility of the markets, guys. And these work live in action within the charts, within the volatility, to bring clarity, simplify, and enhance the charting experience, no matter what experience you have in trading and in charting, guys. Check out the link down below if you haven't already to see everything there is to offer. And once again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.